Okay, so I'm going to talk about how to make an orthographic using Fusion. So this is the drawing that I'm going to use, and it's off of one of the tasks 2, I believe. So you can just click on File, New Drawing from Design, and then once you do that, you can say, well, this comes up, and you can say ISO or ASME. It doesn't really matter, there's not much difference between it. You want to do it in millimeters, and it's going to be an A3 page. Okay, so if you got this, okay. So when you first load in, you're going to get the base one. So this will be the one that all the drawings will be based off of, and this is always the front view of your drawing. So remember when you're drawing it to make the orientation right. Otherwise, when you get to doing an orthographic, it is going to be, it might be the wrong way that you want it. So just click where you want that to go, and that's it. And then in an orthographic, of course, you don't just have one drawing of it, otherwise you wouldn't be able to do much with that. So what you can do is click on this one, which is projector views. Click on that, and then this one, and then it will show you different viewpoints of it. So you just drag away from that one, click to place one, and as you go around it'll show, so there's only going to be 8 points of view that you can do, and I'm only going to do 3, so click there, then once you're done, just click back on that, and then if you want to, another good thing about doing this on Fusion is if you click on Dimensions and then click here on one of the corners and then click on another point, so here you can get the measurement of the side, and you can see that's 120, but you don't have, you can't just do those ones, you can also go with the width of the hole that you've made here, and 2 points, and then just drag it up so it's easier to see. This, so on Fusion it is good because you can, everything's a lot quicker, it just makes it a lot easier. Oh yeah, if you want to add text to orthographic, there's just a little text box up here, and you just click that, and if you want to fill anything in, just click, and it's like Word where you draw the text box and then you write anything you want in there. So yeah, it's a lot better than drawing them by hand, because, well, drawing by hand, those could get damaged or you could lose them, and they also are a lot more time consuming because you have to draw each viewpoint individually, you have to draw off of things that you would have made on the computer, and Fusion just makes it a lot easier because everything stays on the computer. You can store that somewhere else, it'll be safe from harm, you won't lose it as easily, and other people may be able to edit it if you send them the project and the orthographic, and you can just print it off at any time, and if you do lose that one you can just get another one. So thank you for listening. That's how you make an orthographic on Fusion, and why I think it is better than drawing by hand. Almost forgot, if you want to save it, it's the same as most other projects, you just click File, Save, so I'm just going to call this task Yeah, sorry for that. I'm not very good at spelling. Yeah. Save. And then you've got that for. I haven't really, because Fusion saves to the cloud, not to your laptop. So even if your laptop does or computer gets damaged and the hard drive is destroyed, then Fusion will be safe. And that's it. Thank you and goodbye.